Product images, going back to that again, I kind of mentioned having as many of them as you possibly can. The other thing is try and get them as big as you can. You can't have a product image that's too big. In terms of the one that you click on and zoom in, you're probably all familiar with, you would have your product detail page and kind of like a medium-sized image in it, which you then click on to zoom into full detail. You should sort of have your web developers set that full-size image so that it expands and fills the entire space on the monitor. People want to see, coming back to that whole thing of overcoming the barrier of not being able to touch and see your products, people want big, high-resolution, high-quality images. So the bigger you can get, and there's plenty of sort of statistical studies out there that show that the bigger your images are, the higher your conversion rates are likely to be. And again, with your images, you can, even if it's something as simple as, like on that site, sweets, or there's an example further on about trainers, as many different angles of the image, of the product that you can possibly get. No one who's buying or trying to make a decision about buying a product online is ever going to complain there's too many photos. They really want to be able to see as much detail as they can. So if you can get high resolution, loads of images on there, that is a big conversion rate increaser. And the other thing as well is shots of your products in use by yourselves, by real customers, or you know that most e-commerce site photography, it will tend to be like on a white background, so you've just got a bland picture with a plain white background. Yes, you do need that, but if you can get photographs of your products actually physically being used, again, that's another proven method of kind of inspiring trust and making your site stand out above all the others who don't do that sort of thing. Yeah, there's an example. I mean, it's just a shoe. How many ways can you really look at a trainer? Well, they have about 15 images of that trainer taken from all the way around, every conceivable angle. Because I think trainers in particular are one of those kind of products that's difficult to sell on the internet. I don't think I would want to buy a shoe on the web because I want to try it on and see how it feels. So they've got a big barrier to overcome there, and by having as many product images as they can on there, they've also got like a 360-degree rotating view of it. They've done the tests. They've realised that the more images they've got of their products, the more people are likely to buy them.